Hey guys, good afternoon. I am on my way with a family, meeting them there, to a food truck festival down in Woodbridge, New Jersey. It's in the parking lot of, I guess it's a grade school. You guys ever been to one? I remember going to one a long time ago. We're gonna check it out and see what they got. Got me some sweet potato patties to eat on right now because I haven't had anything all day. So, you know, I'm a funny eater, so I need to eat this in case they don't really have nothing that I'm not scared to eat. So yeah, so that's where I'm headed at now. And I'll bring you guys back up once I get there. Let you see the fam, the kids. All right. Front and Center Park, yay! Look at my pretty little cousins. Paige, you are like taller than me. I don't like that. Guess I'll come back with you guys. They gotta take numbers. They on, is it? Yeah, it is on.
Yes,
don't move it too much because then you'll be jumping. So you have to.
I want to start on the YouTube channel, but my mommy won't let me.
Oh.
Let's go back there. No. And I hope all the internet sees the rudest sister in the world.
Everybody was selling equal.
It scared me.
Why get one and one the other?
Are you going to drop it?
No. Yes. No, I'm not.
You better come back soon. We're running out of.
Okay, show the other part. So my first stop was the brisket truck. Well, barbecue truck. So I got me a brisket. We're gonna see. They better hook me up the right way. So that's them. That's my auntie over there. There you go. Right there.
Well, you got so right about this time.
Thank you. No. I should have brought some with me. Hey, mommy. That's my auntie, my beautiful auntie right here. Alright, so I'm gonna get some funnel cakes and then I'm good. So I guess this is the line for funnel cakes. Please don't let it be. Please. Okay, so this is the line for funnel cakes. There's two lines next to each other. And the other line is for the seafood platters with the crab legs and lobster. This is hot dogs. And I don't know what that one is. This is the crab legs. Let me get you. All right, that's nice. You like it? You don't want to share. That's mad little thing. thing right there. Now he's walking at that one. Look how nice. All right, so we left up out of there. Wasn't no need to stay long or bring out chairs in. And I'm gonna go right back with my cousin back to her house for a while and just catch up. All right, guys. Yay, we got some sun. Oh. Morning, loves. Happy Sunday. I'm just set up to do a quick wash and braid this morning. And then I gotta go take the meal back that I got yesterday because it looked like crap. I'm like, I'm not paying for this. So I'm gonna go back and change it from the Portuguese place. I was very disappointed when I got home. I'm gonna show y'all what they gave me in a minute. What is that? What are potatoes? Nothing. Okay, so I went to the restaurant where I had picked up the food last night and changed it. But he had the audacity to ask me, okay, after he looked at it, okay, so do I just want the cabbage? Because our order was cabbage and potatoes with the salmon steak. The salmon steak was overcooked and all they gave me was like 5 pieces of carrots is what I showed you guys. Listen, I want a whole new dinner. How about that? And he just looked at me. And I definitely want a whole new dinner after you just opened it up and just were looking at it because you was looking at it strange also. So just give me a whole new dinner or just give me my $20 back. That's included my tip. He was like, oh, no, no problem. We'll give you a whole new dinner. I'm like, a whole new dinner. So now I'm on my way to the mall because I just want me some new undies. Okay? So I'm going to run to Macy's and get that here at the mall. This is a quiet mall. This is in Livingston Mall. That's what's on my agenda, and my food is back there. You guys can see it right there. Right there. So I can't wait to get home and eat that. Okay, all right. It's so cute. What do I do with it? Oh, here we go. Bam! Calvin Klein. How cute is it? It's a little small. Nice, strong, lightweight bag. The straps are so nice. The leather is really nice. I love the pattern. A lot of room. It's wide inside. It was marked down twice. I ended up getting it for $75. Yes. Guys, my TV blanked out on me. Okay? She just blanked out. Oh, that mercy. So I am watching my laptop. I'm watching movies on here. Just like that. Thank God. My son is in the store buying me a new TV. So I'm waiting for that. So I'm waiting for him to come. When he comes, I'm going to show y'all my new TV. Yay! I love my peoples. I love my children. I love them. Guess what arrived? My TV. My son-in-law and my daughter are here. It's only 10:30 at night, guys, but they made it. That's what counts. So my first 55-inch is a smart TV. My baby putting it together for his mama. All right, this thing is huge to me. I know the way y'all looking at it probably don't look that big, but it's big to me, okay? I love it. Hi, welcome to your new home. I got a movie theater. Guys, I got the best son-in-law ever. I got my new TV. My first 55-inch TV. Okay? Oh, it's so beautiful. This is zooming in real slow. It's just taking slow. Y'all see that? I got a movie theater up in here. What? I'm beat. I called him yesterday, which was Sunday. Got my TV Sunday night. He brought it to me. I love my baby. I do. I do. Got on my nice little t-shirt with my grandpa, grandma. You see that? Those are my hearts. Anyway, that's gonna be the end of this one, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I love you. Bye-bye. See you on the next what? I'll see you on the next vlog. Come party with me on the next vlog. I'm Valerie. Come party with me on the next vlog. Time for the new do now. Stay tuned.